In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a subscribe button in Kapwing. Whether you're a seasoned video creator or just getting started, adding a subscribe button to your videos can help grow your audience and keep viewers coming back for more. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, open Kapwing Studio on your browser. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in or create an account, but once you're set up, we can get started right away. Inside the studio, you have the option to start a new project or open an existing one where you want to add your subscribe button. If you're creating a new project, simply upload the video you want to work on. If you're editing an existing project, just find it in your library and open it up. Once you're in the editing workspace with your video loaded, it's time to find or create your subscribe button. If you want to use a pre-made template, Kapwing offers some great options. Click on the Templates tab and search for Subscribe. You'll find options like the YouTube Subscribe Animation template, which can give your video a nice professional touch with minimal effort. Simply choose one of the templates you like, and it will load onto your video timeline for you to position and adjust as needed. Alternatively, if you're feeling creative or want something that better matches your branding, you can make your own subscribe button in Kapwing. Start by adding a text element to your video. In the text box, type the word subscribe. You might want to enhance the text with an icon, such as the YouTube logo or a bell symbol, which you can easily find online and upload into Kapwing. To give your text a more button-like appearance, consider adding a shape behind it. A rectangle or a rounded rectangle can work well as a background for your text. Adjust the size so that the shape neatly frames your text and icon. This makes the text stand out more clearly against your video's backdrop. Now, it's time to style your button. Think about font size and color. What best represents your brand and makes the subscribe text stand out? You might choose a bold, contrasting color to capture viewers' attention immediately. Don't forget about the background color of your button. Again, contrast is key here. Adding a border or a shadow effect can also add depth, making the button pop even more, enticing your viewers to interact with it. And there you have it. With your subscribe button ready, ensure it's positioned at a point in your video where it will be most effective, typically towards the end or when you're delivering a call to action. Adjust the timing so it appears on cue, and then you're all set. Hit save, and your video is ready to share. By following these steps, you've successfully created a subscribe button in Kapwing, adding a professional touch to your videos and encouraging viewers to join your community. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.